Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I'm going to do a quick video on simplifying radicals. And I'm going to be using calculator, going to be using the idea of cards and books. So let me jump into it and hopefully this will be interesting. All right. So the very first one I'm going to simplify is, let me pull this up. I'm going to simplify the square root of 200. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here. I'm going to use menu 23, call it LeBron. Then I'm going to put in 200. That's the number I want to factor. And then it tells me it's 2 to the third times 5 squared. Now, I've got that represented here. So that's 2 to the it's 2 to the third times 5 squared. So that's going to be 3 2's and 2 5's. All right. Now, the idea is when you're looking at this, you want to take all of the pairs that you can find and you're going to pull them outside the radical. So let me show you. So here's a 2. I can pull this out. Here's another 2, a pair. So I'm going to put these together. Now that's 1. And then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to get the 5 and I'm going to bring it here. And then I'm going to get this 5 since there's a pair of 5s and I'm going to bring this here. And then I'm done. There's nothing else I can do. There's nothing else I can bring out. So I'm left with the square root of 2. And out here, I've got a 2 and a 5. So that's going to be 2 times 5. So the simplified radical is going to be 10, which is these 2 times the square root of 2. Okay, that's it. Now let's do another one. All right, this one, I'm going to do the square root of 76. So in this case, what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to do menu 23, menu 23, and that's going to be 76. And then I press enter, and it's 2 squared times 19. So if you look at what I have here, I have 2 2's and a 19. So again, you are looking for pairs of the same number, and you can pull those out. So I'm going to take this 2, and I'm going to bring it outside over here. And then I'm going to take this 2, and I'm going to bring it over here. And then all I'm left with is the square root of 19. So my simplified answer is going to be 2 times the square root of 19. That's it. That's all you're doing. I'm going to do one more and then I'm going to end this. So let's go. The next one is I'm going to do the square root of 28. Same thing. I'm going to do menu 23 and I'm going to put 28 in there. And then I press enter and it says 2 squared times 7. So that means I'm going to have two cards and I'm going to have a 7. And then all I'm going to do is I'm looking for pairs. I'm going to take this 2, bring it outside the radical. Then I'm going to take this pair, bring it outside the radical. And that's it. So there's that. When I bring out those 2's, that's considered one book. It's not 2 cards, although there are 2 cards, but we count it as one book. So we say 1, 2. We don't say there's 2 2's out there. That's the one mistake I've seen students make. So now, the simplified radical is just going to be 2 square root of 7. That's it. All right, so that's it. I like to use the idea of cards because most of you play cards, Uno or something. But basically, whenever you factor it out, you expand it out, and then you just go find the pairs of like numbers. And for every pair you pull it out, that counts as 1. And you keep doing that until you can't pull any more pairs out. And whatever's left inside the square root stays inside the square root. If there's more than one number, you multiply them. And then whatever you took out as a pair, that goes outside. And if you've taken out more than one pair, you're going to multiply those numbers. All right, I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this.